И здравейте хора, в това видео ще направя един спид арт на графити, да е. Естествено, че е на графити, просто на тема графити съм така. И надявам се клипът да ви харесва и абонирайте се.
J-Doe, with the villain, bust a bust, come on, come on, come on. We roll like this, we roll like this, that's how we roll. We roll like this, y'all know what we do, y'all know exactly how we rollin' and we huggin' every block. No matter how police patrolin' and we do it how we do it, whether it's now or it's later, and we always handle business cause we bout getting this paper. What you want? What you need? As we walk through every gutter, every hood, and every street, and every block, we got it covered. Throwing money while we in the club with shorties on the pole. Let's get it poppin' in this bitch. Me and my clique coming through. That's how we roll. We roll like this. 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 With the feel, get 'em.
Hopping in the vehicle, I choose. I get up in that bed and started. All you hear is roaring up the engine till it pop like a balloon. Like my Dutch hit the clutch, throw it in gear and yelling in the fast car, driving like it's NASCAR, tearing up the asphalt when I'm in that Jaguar, dipping way from Nassau.
И хора, надявам се клипа да ви е харесал. Ако е така, дайте палец нагоре. Лайквайте, харесайте и се абонирайте. И хора, надявам се клипа да ви е харесал. Ако е така, дайте палец нагоре. Лайквайте, харесайте и се абонирайте.